Hi everyone and welcome to Edulo's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to quickly fill blank cells in Excel. As you can see in the sample data, I have employee names and I also have the department information. As you can see, there are a lot of blank cells in this data set. One way to fill these blank cells is by going to each cell and then entering the value that you want to put. But this is not doable manually when you have hundreds and hundreds of rows. You can't go to each row and input the value. So we're going to use a smart trick. What I'm going to do is first I'm going to select this entire range. Then I'm going to press F5 on my keyboard and this will open the go to dialog box. Here I'm going to select special and then you will see the go to special dialog box. One other way you can get to this dialog box is go to your home tab. Towards right you will see an option find and select. Click it. From the drop down select go to special. Now once you've opened the go to special dialog box, select blanks and click OK. What this will do is Excel will automatically go through the entire range and select the blank cells. You can see that this cell is white, the rest are gray. This means that this white cell is active and the rest are inactive. So whatever I will enter will directly get entered into this cell, which is B4. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type out the text that I want. So let's say not assigned. Now once I've entered the text, I'm not going to press enter. I'm going to use CTRL+ENTER. Now once I do that, Excel will automatically fill that value in all of the blank cells. Now this is not limited only to text values. In case you want to enter symbols, characters, and even formulas, you can do that quickly. And this is how you can quickly fill blank cells in Excel. If you want to learn advanced Excel, do check out our advanced Excel course, which covers everything from vlookup, pivot tables, macros, power query, conditional formatting, and much more. You can check out the link in the description below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to get more such tips and tricks in Excel. Thank you so much and I will see you in the next video.